I really like that. I really like you talking about keep your eyes on the prize, like look away from that temptation, if you will, and focus on why am I really doing this? And I found out that whenever we take on a new challenge in life, when you have a noble cause, whether that's you want to be able to take care of your children, you want to be able to run a marathon, something that's noble, I have found that it's so much more easier. But even just to live a healthy life and live longer, that's enough motivation, isn't it? To really say, we want to go after our nutritional, emotional wellness. So kudos to you for providing a tool to people that encourages them in the area of wholeness.
Yes.
As you said, there are not many people doing that. And I would just add, as we conclude this part of the interview, that sometimes we're saying, we could look at this and say, what does a detox program, what does nutrition and emotional wellness have to do with my goals or the things I want to accomplish in my relationships or in my business? Guess what? When you're healthy and you're strong, when your emotions are the right type of emotions that are God-pleasing emotions, you can be effective and productive in any other area of your life.